Hello, this is Dr. Sanjeev Rao. I am MDS in oral and maxillofacial and reconstructive surgery. I have been practicing hair transplant, lasers, cosmetic as well as aesthetic procedures since last 8 years. Well, we are in our Delhi unit, the Skineva branch, and this is our hair transplant workshop as well as for educational purpose and for the cases as well. So here you can see we have drawn a hairline design over here. According to the history, that patient has already gone through a FUT. Sir, कितने साल पहले हुआ था FUT?
Around
6 years.
5 to 6 years.
5 to 6 years. So 5 to 6 years back, the FUT was. Sir, थोड़ा मुंडी नीचे. 5 to 6 years back, the FUT was done. As you can see, a very linear scar that we say that we get in the FUT because of the strip that has been taken is already present here. So it doesn't look good for the patient when he is like in future if he is trimming his hair and all. So this is the linear scar that is present. So now what we are planning for today's case of him is we will be placing these all hairline what we have drawn was not placed any hairs in the FUT. That is the main complication of FUT is one more thing that you cannot interchange whatever you plan and you decide for the strip. You have already slitted it off, that you have to take it. After that, if you see that you need more grafts but it cannot be done, again you have to make a slit, again you have to suture it, and again you have to do all those. But in FUE, if you think that some remaining like around 500 or 1000 you want to take it more, you can place the local again and you can take those grafts and you can place it. So here we have marked him for this case, like here we'll be placing around 1500 to 2000 grafts. Then again in this crown area we are planning around 1000 to 1500 grafts, so total it will be around 3000 to 3500 grafts. And we have made some boxes over here, as you can see clearly that we have made some boxes over here and we have marked it like on those boxes how much we have to take. But due to the FUT that has been done, so we are not getting any 3 finger over here, only we are having 3 finger because of the shrinkage of the scalp area, that the strip has already been taken. Normally we take around 4 fingers, but here only we can take 3 fingers more. So this is how we will be completing our case, and will be coming live in between also. So thank you. Well, for our workshop we have completed today our first transplant hands-on case, and this is how we have placed, and these are the designs that we had made initially for him. And we have placed according to the design. In the front we have given around 2500, around a high density grafts are placed in the front, and in the crown portion we have given some around 1000 to 700 grafts. And before FUT was done in this case, and this time we have done for him the FUE. So we will ask our patient like how he is feeling or how was his experience in case of an FUT and FUE, so he can better guide us. Like we have studied and we are and he's like experienced both. FUT was done around 6 years back, and this time we have done an FUE. So sir, कैसा लगा आपको? पहले आपने जो करवा रखा था जो FUT में हुआ था, तो उसका और आज का जो हमारा जो FUE में जो हमने काम किया, इन दोनों में एक्सपीरियंस कैसा रहा? पेन के हिसाब से, टाइम के हिसाब से, प्रॉब्लम के हिसाब से, या आपको कंफर्ट किस चीज में ज्यादा लगा? तो ये सारी चीजें आप बताएं।
डॉक्टर साहब, अगर FUT के रिगार्डिंग में बात करें और FUE के रिगार्डिंग, दोनों का अगर कंपैरिजन करें तो दोनों में टाइम तो ऑलमोस्ट सेम ही,
लगभग बराबर है।
लेकिन पेन के मामले में अगर वो किया जाए तो पेनफुल FUT था जो मैं पहले करा चुका हूँ। FUE के मामले में अभी तक मुझे कुछ नहीं ऐसा महसूस।
जी जी, और आगे चल के तो ये पता लगेगा 2 दिन 3 दिन में कि कैसा और आपका जर्नी कैसा रहा। तो हालांकि टाइम के हिसाब से आपके हिसाब से दोनों सेम है, लेकिन FUT में थोड़ा हालांकि पेन और थोड़ा खिंचाव वो सब थोड़ा दिक्कत,
क्योंकि वो एक पैच लेते हैं,
वो एक स्ट्रिप मतलब लिया जाता है।
पेनफुल है।
तो आज का कैसा रहा आज का एक्सपीरियंस आपका?
आज मुझे टीम का वर्क और आपका डॉक्टर साहब बड़ा कोऑपरेटिव और अच्छा लगा, और मुझे फील ही नहीं हुआ कि मैं कोई ऐसे एक जनरल ओटी या एक एमपीटी जैसा कोई प्रोसेस ले।
जी जी
मुझे नॉर्मल सही लगा।
चलिए सर, थैंक यू। तो दिस इज आवर वर्कशॉप, हाउ इट एंड्स, एंड टुमारो वी आर हैविंग again another case and we'll be coming up with the next tomorrow. Thank you. Thank you for watching our videos. If you want more videos, do like, share and subscribe.